you want to work to coastal fast from the very beginning, start at Gyeongsan Station. The best working route in Busan. Today we walk slowly from Gwangalli Beach to Millak Waterfront Park. The ocean, the night view, and the warmth of people. Once you walk this path, you can understand here. This is Gwangalli, Busan iconic beach. In front of you, Gwangalli Bridge. It's relaxed during the days, but transforms into something completely different at night. Now let's slowly walk toward Millak. Let's go!